Hello, my good, wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. The returning viewers, welcome back. So I have a large number of viewers who are returning back. So I don't know whether you subscribe. Please, if you did not subscribe, please do so. And if at all you have not switched on your notification bell, please do so that you are always updated of the incoming videos. Otherwise, thank you for your support. I'm happy. I appreciate you all. Otherwise, today I'm back with this video. And guys, today I just want to make some dinner rolls. So I want to make some dinner rolls which we can serve with some soup. So today I'm just going to do the dinner rolls. Then after some times, I'll also come up with some mushroom soup. So I will serve it with mushroom soup. So keep tuned and let's go. What I have milk, I have butter, I have sugar, I have yeast, I have an egg, and I have all-purpose flour and salt to taste. So guys, I'll just start by adding some salt, just a pinch of salt. Same to sugar, just 2 pinch of sugar. Then after that, I will add milk first. The reason why I'm adding milk so that milk can dissolve. So I'll make sure I give it a good stir. Then I'll add a tablespoon of yeast. I will add in this butter, unsalted butter if possible. 1 egg. I will add this all-purpose flour. These are 2 cups of flour. Keep tuned guys now as I do the dough. So guys, your rolls have to be so soft and fluffy. So guys, you can see as this is not enough, I will continue kneading it in a rough surface like this one. So we are going to cover it using this cling paper and put it aside for 30 minutes so that it can rise up. So 30 minutes are over. So we have the standard size of dinner rolls, but you can make the shape of your own choice. And then now you have to cut them into portions to roll them to the size that you prefer. So stay tuned. cut them into pieces first. This is big, but then let me just slice it. I'm going to bake them now. Before I bake, I will top it up with some, garnish it with some eggs so that they can look a little bit juicy. First, we are covering them so that they can remain soft. So if you so wish, you can add eggs, mix eggs with milk, or you can just use the egg yolk only. Just the way I'm doing it. Then you can use the brush to brush the eggs on top. So this spacing here, you have to leave at least some gap here, because as it will be baking, it will rise up and the gap will close up. So guys, I'm going now to bake them for 30 minutes at 170 degrees. So stay tuned. 30 minutes are over, and guys, look at my dinner rolls. Look at my dinner rolls. Looking so fluffy, so yummy. So maybe I can do the final touches on brushing with the egg on top while it's still hot. In fact, guys, when you're doing this, do this when it's still hot. So you can use, butter. You can use butter. For the last 4 topping, use butter. The first one, use eggs and milk, and now butter. Look at how shiny they are. Looking so yummy. They're still hot, guys, but I can have one. And guys, you can just see how fluffy it is. So nice. So guys, these are good and the best can be used. So guys, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for viewing. Let's meet on another video.